Que hola, que hola. Chef Peter here, gonna do some fridge diving, see what we could come up with.
Take a quick peek. I'm gonna definitely use these cherry tomatoes. Grab one of these Snapdragon apples. Found this cauliflower that's about to die. I'm gonna grab some leaves from my garden. Grab this cauliflower and cut some steaks out of it. Season your steaks with a little olive. As always, you know, a little sandungueo. Sipping our Snapdragon apples. Olive oil. Vinegar. Quick little cauliflower Piallard with a green leaf lettuce salad.